I can show you fossils. I can unbox dinosaurs. Hey everyone. Oh, that was bad. It's your boy V3 back to another fossil unboxing. Not the first one we've done. This is our second fossil unboxing. Ordered this forever ago, like right at the end of December, which I guess isn't forever ago. Oh, not at the time I'm recording this. But then I picked up a lot of extra hours at work, which lasted for the entire operation hours of the post office, so it almost got sent back, actually. It was very close to getting sent back because it took me so long to pick it up. So I've kind of forgotten a bit of what's in it. To be completely honest, I don't remember. But we're going to find out. And these fossils and things will all appear on our educational comedy web series Safari Sam on the main channel. We changed the name to the main channel to G&G at B3 Productions instead of Godzilla and Guy again because it was a bad channel name. Ugh. Come on, big poppy. Oh, that's crisp. That's nice. That's rice. Yeah, I work with fossils. It's a big interest of mine. Oh, these peanuts surely are packed in here. Luckily, I have a box right here next to me specifically for peanuts. These are a different kind of peanut than they used last time. These are less messy. I like these. Oh, I hope that doesn't have my address on it. Let's yeet this stuff out of here. Oh no, my address is not on this. Okay, good. Even if it was, it's my P.O. box, which no big deal. There's a lot of stuff in here. Hello. Here we go. We got a couple things right off the bat. A Dianicus Killing Claw. Yeah, Dianicus Antirospus. This is specifically the claw, like the kind of raptor claw that, you know, slams down the little scythe claw, little sickle claw. It's a replica, because there's no way I could afford a real one, but that's fine. I don't care, you know. So I'm happy to have a replica if it means I can actually have, you know, something like this in my collection. Plus, it's a mold of a real fossil. That's really cool. I like that. And this is the same thing, but it's Dimetrodon, which is my favorite mammal-like reptile, as it is most, I believe. That's pretty cool. Little Dimetrodon claw. Tiny, tiny. I expected it to be small. Didn't expect it to be that small. But it's fine. I don't care. There we go. So... let me remove some more stuff here. This is a white ammonite. I love ammonites. They are one of the most successful creatures of all time, despite being extinct. If it wasn't for that meteor that hit the Earth and took out the dinosaurs, we'd still have these puppies. We do have the Nautilus, though. And I needed a white ammonite. I didn't have a white ammonite, and the only ones we have at work are, like, giant ones that cost a fortune. So I just wanted a smaller one. Came with a case, as you can clearly see. A little educational read-up. Really cool. If you want to hear more about the specimen, definitely subscribe to the main channel. Link in the link tree down below. You can watch our show Safari Sam. That's really cool. Actually, so what was that? The Dianicus Killing Claw, White Ammonite, and Dimetrodon Claw. I have a manifest right next to me. That's what I pulled out a second ago. Oh, get that out of here. Get out of here, you little twerp. Now, I know what this is. I actually have these at work. We sell these as well. In our gift shop, I work at a museum. It is a... smooth that. It is a sedimentary rock collection. We also have metamorphic and igneous. I just got it from here because I wasn't sure if it was the same thing, because it didn't show it in the packaging, it showed it out of the packaging. It is the same one from work. But it's fine. I'll just get the other two from work now that I know these are the same thing. Neato. So yeah, I'm going to do videos on this set as well. It includes 12 sedimentary rock specimens, siltstone, sandstone, rock salt, coal, limestone, arkros, conglomerate, fossil ferrous limestone. That's pretty cool. That's what the... never mind. Mudstone, shale, travertine, and rock gypsum. Full color identification start, storage tray, and 12 labels, and an information guide. That's cool. That's a cool little set. I already want the other two, and I haven't even opened it. But we're going to open this as a whole thing on an episode of Safari Sam. Ta-da! Move that off to the side. And with that, I think there's only going to be one more thing in here, because I'm looking at the manifest. And this sucks. I was supposed to have this. Cheilontosaurus dinosaur claw replica, out of stock, refunded. That's the one complaint I have about Store for Knowledge, is that every time I've ordered one of these from them, there's always something that said it was in stock and then turned out to be out of stock. Last time it was a what? Not a stingray. A manta ray rib bone fossil. That's what I ordered last time, and it was out of stock. And they refunded me, but still gave me the free shipping. And then this time it was this. They need to really do inventory down at their warehouse, because when it happened once, it was like, okay, people make mistakes, but it's happened every single time I've ordered from here. You're a great store, but you need to fix that problem, okay? The last thing we have is this beautiful puppy. Come on, flip around so we can see you. This one was on the site. It had a terrible picture. You couldn't even really see it well on the website. Come on. But it's a type of sea urchin here. Ta-da! Echidnoid rough, 50 million years old, a river deposit from Florida in Ocala limestone. That is a much nicer specimen than I thought it was going to be, actually. This is really nice. Because the picture was terrible. It had one picture, and it was like backlit. It was a terrible, terrible photo, and I'm glad it came out as nice as it did. That is a really nice fossil, actually. I really like that. Now let's put you back in the bag. So yeah, that's our fossil unboxing, which I forgot had rocks in it also, so I guess it's a fossil and rock unboxing. Alright, so all together now, we have our sedimentary rock collection. We have Dimetrodon, fossil claw replica, Dianicus, fossil claw replica. We have the white ammonite, and we have our echinoid fossil rough. Wow! And then our other one didn't show, but they did refund me. So that's good, at least. So yeah, that's it. Thank you all very much for your support. And they did honor the free shipping, even though that dipped it under the amount of stuff you have to buy to get free shipping. But thank you all very much for your support. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out all the cool links in the description below. Facebook, Twitter, etc. This is cool stuff. I cannot wait to do episodes of Safari Sam with these things. And I will see you all next time.